how to reach out effectively to recruiters on LinkedIn. Hi, my name is Christina Garidi from Eudaimonia Coaching, and in today's video I'm going to show you the exact steps I show my clients on how to reach out to recruiters on LinkedIn. Just want to make a note here that I will focus on internal hiring managers, but the same principles apply for independent recruiters who are hiring on behalf of bigger clients in their specific industries. So step number one, once you've identified a role that you're really excited about and you want to apply, go and find that target organization on LinkedIn and follow them. Step number two, LinkedIn will automatically generate similar organizations that you can follow. So make sure you follow these organizations because you may never knew that they existed. Plus, you may also find out that they have roles that you never thought were available. So always a good idea to follow similar organizations like the one you have identified. Step number three, on your specific company now, whose role you're applying for, go under the people section and see who are working there. Now, focus on finding the HR manager, hiring recruiters, or talent acquisition roles within that organization. Step number four, make sure that the location of the role you're applying for is similar to these people so that they are responsible for that geography. It may not be the same location as your current location. So just make sure that the role you're applying for and the geography of the people, the hiring managers, is the same. Step number five, before you connect now with the internal recruiters, there's one step, very important step that you need to do. Go into their profile, LinkedIn profile, and check their activity. Check for the posts and articles. Now, once you do that, go and like, comment, or share their posts. This is called pre-connection. This is a very important part of the process because, in essence, it allows the recruiter to see you and to see you that you're supporting their work and you're helping increase their company's reach. So this is very, very important before you hit them with your direct message. Do the pre-connection stage for about a week or so if you have the luxury of time. Step number six, then go and connect with them with a short, personalized direct message when you're connecting with them on LinkedIn. Try to catch their attention by making the message meaningful based on what you have noticed from their posts. Okay, catch their attention. Step number seven, once hopefully they have connected with you, then you can send a direct message asking for exactly what you want, i.e. attaching a CV and a cover letter if you're applying for a role. In this case, always ask for feedback, or if you know there might not be the right person hiring for this role, make sure you ask to be connected to the right person within the organization for this role. Step number 8, if you're not applying now for a specific role and you're just connecting with them, make sure that you send them your CV and exactly ask for what you want. Be clear about what you want them to do. This is called the call to action. So if you're generically connecting, then make sure you tell them that you would like to speak to them briefly to discuss on future opportunities that may come up in their organization that you want them to keep you in mind for. Okay. Number 9, if there is no response from the recruiter after you send them your CV or the cover letter or applying for a specific role, just remember they're busy people, okay? So keep nurturing that relationship by liking, commenting, or sharing their posts. And then you've got the ability to follow up within a week or two in a very friendly manner to say, hey, I've sent you a message, maybe you haven't seen it, can I speak to you again? So just come up on their inbox again. In the meanwhile, you've been nurturing that relationship so they would have seen you pop up on their notifications. And last but not least, the last step is reciprocity is golden. So if you are able to be in conversation with a recruiter, then always ask them for what they need, what they're looking for. They'll probably have a target of some sort. So try to help them if you can personally, and if you cannot, make sure you offer to link them to your network, obviously asking for the permission beforehand. So I hope that was helpful for you. Let me know if you've got any questions, and have a great week ahead looking for amazing roles and connecting to recruiters.